What if I told you that the car you drive today and the way you drive it can be traced back to a single revolutionary machine? Meet the Ford Model T, the car that didn't just put America on wheels, but changed the world forever. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of the Model T, the innovations that made it legendary, and the quirky facts that turned it into an icon. In 1908, Henry Ford had a radical idea: build a car that was affordable, reliable, and simple enough for anyone to drive. The result was the Model T, designed by a team led by Joseph A. Gallum, Eugene Farkas, and Childa Harold Wills. Ford's vision was clear: I will build a motor car for the great multitude. So low in price that no man making a good salary will be unable to own one. The Model T wasn't just a car, it was a manufacturing revolution. Ford introduced the moving assembly line at the Highland Park plant, making cars faster and cheaper to build. This innovation slashed the price of the Model T from $850 in 1908 to less than $300 by 1925, making car ownership possible for millions of Americans. By the early 1920s, over half the cars on the road were Fords. The Model T was packed with innovations. First car with a left-side steering wheel for easy access. Engine block and crankcase cast as a single unit. Removable cylinder head for simple repairs. Extensive use of vanadium steel for strength and lightness. A toolkit included with every car. Gas tank under the front passenger seat. Windshield as an optional extra, later standardized. It was so tough, it could climb the stairs of the Tennessee State Capitol and even reach the top of Pikes Peak. The Model T was built for the American landscape, rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. Think all models are black? That's a myth. While Henry Ford famously said, any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants, so long as it's black. Black was only the standard from 1914 to 1925. Before and after, you could get your Model T in blue, red, gray, or green. And the nickname Tin Lizzie? Some say it came from the popular name Lizzie or a famous race car called Old Liz. Whatever the origin, the Model T had dozens of nicknames and became a true American folk hero. By the time production ended in 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been built. The Model T didn't just democratize the automobile, it transformed American society, shrinking distances, connecting communities, and paving the way for the modern world. Even today, the Model T stands as a symbol of innovation, accessibility, and the spirit of adventure. It's more than a car, it's a piece of living history. The Ford Model T was more than just a vehicle, it was a revolution on wheels. From the assembly line to the open road, it changed how people lived, worked, and dreamed. Next time you see a car, remember, it all started with the Tin Lizzie. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what classic car should we cover next?